Today I'll be showing you guys the Fitbit Charge 3 coming up. I put it back in the box since I've been wearing it for a week, like I said. But I put everything back to the way it was so you guys can see what it looks like when you unbox it. So the outside is a little bit flimsy, but once you get into the inside, it's like an Apple box almost. So once you first get inside, yeah, I've already set it up, but here's the watch. Then I'm with its special edition bands. And if you open this up in here, you'll find the XL version of the bands, small and large bands. And then in this box here, you'll find the charger, which you can clip around your watch, just like this. And it's not plugged in, but it would charge them. So some of the features here, it is swim proof and shower proof up to 50 meters. And this special edition has payments on it and notifications. The regular watches do have notifications, but the payments it's called Fitbit Pay. It works like as Apple Pay, but the Fitbit Pay is not on the regular Charge 3. So since this is a special edition, it comes with a special band, which is this one, and this is the normal band. There is a weather app, and like other apps like Timer, a stopwatch. You can get or there's just like what you can track with activity. This thing tracks everything. This also tracks heart rate 24/7, and you can do workout goals, and this will inform you every day. Or every hour, you can set how much steps you want. Like I got it at 250 steps per hour, and it will alert you that if at 50 50 minutes after each hour, it will alert you that you only have 10 minutes left and you need this much more steps, or hooray, you've gotten the steps. Also on this watch, you can set a goal for the day, which I've set to 10,000, which it automatically does that. And there's all sorts of goals, like if I turn this on. Yeah, sorry about the light. It's just because I'm using a camera with it that does that with all of these. So if we tap this, get date, steps, heart rate. Well, it's not on my wrist, so you can't see my heart rate. Calories burned, distance ran, how many staircases I've taken, and how many energy points. Then if we scroll down here, you can see I got 4,458 steps, 7 out of 13 active moments. Now it's tracking my heart rate, 97. And then walked 1.15 miles, 1,717 calories, 12 staircases, 0 active. And then sleep. That's a automatic set. I don't know why. 88.8. And then you can track how many ounces of water you want to that you've drank with. You have to log them in with your phone though. And then how many times you've tracked an activity. Also with this, you get a notification for calls, text, calendar, and app alerts. And this battery lasts up to 7 days, and you can also change out the clock face. Like here's the geometric kind of squares design. And Also, to change your wristbands, all you have to do is, you see these two little buttons on the bottom? Push those, and then your bands will pop out. And then to put on the special edition band, you just wrap it around your wrist. And then here, one second. Then you have to feed it through the little oval loop. And once you got it through there, you just pull, and then you have to go to the a double hole, not the triple hole. And then voila. To put this watch on for the regular band, you just want to go put it on like this. Here, I have to go get off camera. Here. So you're just going to want to go push through here and then tighten. Pull this up here and voila. Abracadabra. Now to track activity, all you have to do is turn it on and swipe to the right, and you'll see an exercise button. When you click that, you can see you can do run, treadmill, bike, interval timer, swim, walk, and you can customize which ones you want. There's numerous ones. There's also a relax setting that you can do, or a relax it's like a breathing exercise thing. So if you click this, it's like be still, take slow deep breaths. Sparkles mean you're doing well. Like it goes inhale and then exhale, and you can choose 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So now why don't we go exit this? To set a timer, you just go into timer and then count down, and then 5 minutes. And then yeah, it will start buzzing at you very rapidly when it's done. And then yeah, stopwatch, you just go you can swipe to the other side or go to, or oh, I guess it's just in there. And then you can also set alarms in the app. Like I got a 6:45 a.m. alarm every weekday for school. And then either way, you just go to the end, tap that, and there you got it. You have to make sure your phone is set to your app has all day sync enabled, otherwise it won't show accurate data. And then to change your settings, you can just go in here. You can change the brightness. I got it set to auto right now. You can turn it to dim or normal or auto. And then you can choose if your vibrations are normal or strong. And heart rate, I got it turned on. And then notifications during sleep is also a thing. I got it shut off so I'm not getting woken up by a scam call in the middle of the night. So yeah, there's the Charge 3. Okay, so just to reassure you that it's waterproof, why don't I show you? Okay, why don't I show you that it can be submerged? Oh, this is cold. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and check out more videos.